Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account to an external wallet. It's really simple and easy. First thing you want to do is simply open up the Coinbase application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Coinbase account. Now once you are logged in, on the bottom side of the screen you can see 5 different options. You have to tap on third one which look like two arrows pointing away from each other. Now, since we are here to send crypto to another wallet, we will tap on the option name send. After that, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. For now, we will simply choose Bitcoin. After that, enter the amount you want to send. For now, 10, 20, 30 worth of Bitcoin. Now, since we are not sending it to a friend and we are sending to an external wallet, tap on option not now. Now you will be taken to this page where you will have to enter the address where you want to send. For this example, we will simply copy the Cash App address I am sending my Bitcoin to. Now you can set this Bitcoin to any other wallet. So all you have to do is simply copy the Bitcoin wallet address of the place you are sending to. Once you copy it, come back to the Coinbase app, then paste the wallet address over here. Once you have done that, tap on the option preview send, and now you will be able to view the entire details of your transaction, such as where you are sending to, what you are paying with, the Coinbase fee, and finally the network fee. Now once you are okay with all of that, simply tap on the option send now and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.